Hi PU2 aspirants, so your midterms are ahead, and in this video I'm going to tell you a secret strategy how you can get 70 out of 70 in chemistry midterm. It is going to be super easy if you follow this strategy. I'll tell you syllabus, how to study, how to tackle physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, everything in one video. So if you are aiming for this particular marks, this video is for you. Let's get started. So in today's lecture, first we will tell you about the chemistry syllabus. I know most of you know it, but it may vary. So some students may have different chapters, so you can comment me down if you have a different syllabus from this. Okay, next, very important, what are the resources, your study approach for physical, inorganic and organic, 30-day plan, then daily routine that you should have, some tips for success, and how can we Deeksha Karnataka people help you. Okay, so first of all, coming to chemistry syllabus, so I have think that this is going to be the syllabus for most of the students: solutions, electrochemistry, DNF block, coordination, haloalkanes and alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, so now here there might be some students who have, sorry, one second, yeah, so there might be some students who have aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. If you are one of them, please comment and tell me what is there in your midterm syllabus. Okay, others I think all will having the same chapters, and these are the weightage that is there in the final exam. Okay, so which are the high weightage topics? We can see almost all the chapters are equally weightage, but example, solution and electrochemistry are more important. Then I have coordination, so number 1, number 2, number 3, then I have, this is also number 4, this is also number 4, this is number 5. Okay, so this is the weightage wise division. Fine. Now for resources, basically you have to follow these two books. First one for concepts and for reading, doing the practice of questions, NCERT book is very important. The second thing which is very important book is just Jivit publication chemistry book. You can also take Oswald book, which I haven't used, but this book I have used, and I can tell you, if you do this one book properly, then every question you can answer. Okay, so for practicing of PYQs, definitely you have to go for this particular book, and it also has in the chapter wise the questions are there. There are a lot of hot MCQs are there, almost then 30 FIBs are there. Questions from each and every line from the book is given in this book in the form of question answer format. So once you are done with the PYQs, after that come back to the chapter and then study the questions that is given inside the chapter from here. Okay, next is your study plan. Okay, so I'll be showing you now the study approach for physical, inorganic and organic. So let us first talk about physical chemistry. You have to read the NCERT only once. Okay, don't have to read it too much in detail, just go through it once. Make a sheet of formulas. In this you can also include your graph, okay, graphs, examples. Just one page is enough for making the formula sheet of solutions chapter and electrochemistry. For electrochemistry you can use one full page and the backside of half may be required, but for solutions one page is more than enough. So everything you have to note down there. Whilst reading this NCERT book, what all things you have to do? Solve the numericals, or means examples, and in-text questions. These two you have to do. After this you have to solve PYQs. From where will you solve? From the Jivit book. Okay, if you go last 4 to 5 years PYQs are there. Then from the Jivit book you have to solve MCQs, or you can watch my videos also. We have making one marker video, 2+3 marker video. So for question practice you can watch those videos. And from the exercise you can, so if you have time, okay, after doing this, if you have still more time, so solve NCERT exercise numericals only, just 5 to 7 numericals, you can try solving them. Okay, so that is your strategy for physical chemistry. Coming to inorganic chemistry, read NCERT twice. Okay, please make sure that you read it twice. After that, note down all the trends and exceptions. Okay, reactions, if some they came in a 4 K2 Cr2O7 preparation, reactions are there, note down them. So for DNF block, one full page, and for coordination compounds, both the sides you have to use. Next, solve PYQs. Okay, so for this one you don't have to solve exercise questions, but yes, while reading NCERT, in text questions and examples questions you must solve it. Okay, Now coming to that section where everybody is so scared, that is organic chemistry. Let me tell you, here also you have to read NCERT once only, but while reading, what you have to do, you have to underline reagents, okay, name reactions that you must follow. Then make mind maps, okay, so you have to make mind maps for these reactions. You don't have to write them, just make a mind map for all these reactions, and then solve PYQs. And there is conversion questions, okay. If you remember conversion questions, one starting material will be given, one ending material will be given. After all the organic chapters, this conversion questions are there. Do practice them, that will help you to remember the reactions better. So practice the conversion questions so that you are mastering the reactions. It may be asked, may not be asked directly in the exam, but yes, this will help you to practice the reactions and remember the reactions in a better way. Clear? The strategy for this 3 is over. Now we'll go to 30-day study plan. So I have already given you this in the main plan. So first day we have to do solutions chapter. Next you have electrochemistry on day 1 and 2, 5 and 6 again you have electrochemistry. Then you have 10th and 11th D&F block. Then you have 15 and 16 coordination compounds. 19 and 20 we have haloalkenes and haloarenes. Next we have 24, 25 alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, so how to study? I have given you 2 days for each chapter, right? On the first day you have to read NCERT line by line, and while reading it you have to solve exercise questions and in-text questions and make notes. Okay, so this one you can do for physical and organic. And on day 2 you have to solve some PYQs and other questions of Jivit book, you can solve it. Okay, that is for physical and organic. Now what is that? What is the trend for inorganic? See, for inorganic on day 1, see, reading the whole chapter in one day is difficult for inorganic chemistry. So I will tell you to divide it into 2 parts. Okay, so on day 1 read part 1, okay, and solve how much ever PYQs, whichever PYQs comes from, just overlook the PYQs, okay, just go through the PYQs and go through the NCERT. If you go from Jivit book, it is given topic wise, okay, so how many topics you have covered, that many topics questions you can complete. Okay, so solve PYQs and Jivit inside chapter questions. Okay, means when you open the chapter there are some questions that is given topic wise. So suppose you have completed 5 topics, just read those questions of the 5 topics. Okay, then day 2 you have to read part 2. Okay, now once you have done with part 2 you have to solve now complete PYQs and also read the Jivit book inside chapter questions. And while reading this one you should be doing the examples and in-text questions side by side, okay, and making notes, or just for inorganic chemistry you can even underline and write down in the side of the book page. Okay, now with this I have some tips for success also. These are some very important. Start with high weightage topics. So all the chapters in chemistry are equally important, so you can start with anything. Next, NCERT is based, no required to refer anything. Mistake notebook. So when you are solving PYQs, if you find some particular types of mistakes you are doing, any particular question you are not able to remember, so write down those questions and revise it again and again. Then write 1 model paper for all subjects. So but for chemistry I can see you, if you watch this video, this is 2024 midterm paper. Okay, I have given the solution of this one. You can search this in our channel and you will get a playlist. You can search this and you can solve this paper to get an understanding of the paper. Okay, next, sleep well and stay consistent. Study every day. 30 days are there, 2 to 3 hours every day if you put, it is possible. Nothing I can say extraordinary effort is required. Basic, regular, simple efforts can give you great success. Okay, Fine. Now we will see how Deeksha Karnataka channel is going to help you. So yesterday we have already, so not on yesterday, on Teachers Day we have launched a special series for midterm, 30-day mission for midterm challenge, and every day we are going to put videos for all of you in that. So you can see the schedule here. Some students have asked in the schedule also. So on 7th of September you will have the entire revision of solution chapter. 3 videos will come. First one will be about the quick revision, second one will be 1 marker, third one will be 2 marker, 3 marker and numerical questions. The questions that I have taken include PYQs and the PU2 question board bank. Okay, question bank from there. Next we have electrochemistry on 11th of September. Then we have D and F block for 15th of September. Then if you move forward, again we have coordination compounds on 19th September. You can see for other classes also. Then you have haloalkanes and haloarenes on 23 September. Then I have alcohols, phenols and ethers on 27 September. Okay, so all the chapters will be completed, and 3 videos I'll give you, that just watch those videos. That is enough for your practice. Okay, so students, that's all in this session, and I hope this 30-day strategy for chemistry will help you to get 70 out of 70. If you have any further doubts, put down in the comment section. I'll take it. Thank you for watching and all the best. Start putting your efforts.